Good morning, guys. I'm thrilled to announce we've just sold this property here in Mooramba Road for $615,000. This one's a studio apartment, 41 square meters internal, plus 8 square meters in the winter garden. So you're just under 50 altogether up here. You've got parking downstairs. Let me just show you through what you're getting for your money. This one's sold to a client that's looking for a Sydney boat hold and have a place up the coast. The thing they love about this is that kitchens, bathrooms, all the big ticket items are done. There's no money to be spent. The building's just over 5 years old. And you've got a building manager on site that's here during the week, runs the day-to-day runnings of the building and the security side of things, which is brilliant. So it's perfect for someone looking for something that's lock up and leave. Don't have to stress about the maintenance of the property or anything like that. But even for an investment, these rent really well. So the one at the end of the hallway here, the A304 has just rented for $580 per week. And do studios make money? Yes, they do. This one's one that I sold just 2 weeks ago, A307. That one sold for $603,000, very, very similar. And this one here, $615. So the main sort of differences here, people love, they've got the ceiling fans, they've got great natural light. You've got no real neighbor looking in closely. Good setback. You're perched up high on level 3, overlooking the nice common area downstairs, which is beautiful. I do have a client that's missed out, so if you're in the area researching and selling, if you find this video, do give me a call. We've got clients that are looking in the building, some with budgets for 1 and 2 bedrooms as well. I would love to assist. And if you're looking to buy something like this, I've got 2 or 3 other recommendations I can make as well. This is an example of really good buying here in Dee Why, $615,000 with secure parking downstairs. It's a great building and brilliant neighbors. Perfect for a first home buyer, an investor, or someone that just wants something that's really easy, nice lifestyle.